Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Kelly Driver and thank you very much for coming along to watch this today. I'm going to do a Dutch pour, which is a style of acrylic pouring onto a 60 by 40 centimetre canvas, and there's going to be lots of pink in it today. So let's get into it. So here's our canvas, 60 by 40, and I've taped the back of the canvas and put pins in each corner so that the paint can drip off and not stick to my butcher's paper. So I'm using white, and I'll put the colours out so you can see what I'm going to be using today. Put this one as well. And oh no, now I'm dropping everything over here. A couple more and a blue pearl. So they're the different colours that I'm going to be using today. So as you can see, there's lots of pinks in there, so that's pretty awesome. So I've got everything mixed up and I'm ready to go. All right, so the plan is a white base, and I'm going to have two blowouts like this. So put the white paint on first. Okay, we'll see if that's enough paint. Base is officially covered. So I'll just paint the sides. And I've got some air bubbles that I need to pop. Just gorgeous. All right, so you can see my paints in. Now I'm trying to decide which blow dryer to use today. I don't know whether to use my more powerful one or less powerful one. So anyway, so I think I'll do them about here and go like that. So and then about here. Well, that one's got a lot more paint on it. Oh, the rain has started outside, so I hope the audio on this is okay. So that was a metallic grey colour. And that's a pinky purple. Now we've got like a candy pink, this one. I've forgotten what the official names of the colours are. I'm sorry. Oh, it is absolutely pouring with rain outside, so I do apologise for the, might have to mute myself in this video. this is a pearl blue colour. So it's going to be interesting to see how this one turns out as well. Alright, now I've noticed that I'm off centre here, so my alignment's not the best, so I'll have to be careful with how I blow this out and make sure. So I might use a combination of my blow dryers, I think, to blow this out. So bear with me, I'm going to take my time with blowing this out to make sure that I do it correctly. Well, this is interesting. So where's the center? I think I've managed to get it in center quite well. So that's great. Well, this is really different. Very different. I'm going to get the stool so that I can blow out this bit here a bit. Okay, I'll try. Let's do that. You probably can't see all the little bubbles coming up there, but it's really pretty. There's some nice little things coming up there, which is really pretty. So let's see if I can do the same over here. Yay for the blowtorch. And the way the paint responds to it. All right, well, it's looking pretty gorgeous, and I'm not going to overdo it, so I'm going to leave it at that. So I'll take the camera off the tripod and give you a close-up of all the little amazing things going on. Okay, well, here's a close-up of the painting and the amazing things going on there. So that's the right-hand side, and then over on the left. It's pretty cool up the top there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and follow my channel and show your support. And I'll be posting this onto my website soon. Thank you very much. Bye.